Hey everyone! Today we'll be crafting with cookie cutters. It doesn't matter if they are made of plastic or metal as long as the shape is easy to work with. I'm using red ones because I think they look festive. I'm also chopping up a Christmas tree pearl chain because I want to decorate with red pearls. A substitute for this could be dried red berries. I start off by filling the cookie cutter with a layer of cotton balls. This is optional, but I don't want to use lots of moss, so this is a good alternative for me. Yes, you heard me right, we will be working with moss here. You can either collect it in a forest or buy it. I bought mine in a flower shop. Best case scenario would be that you add the ribbon before you fill the cookie cutter, but you can also do that afterwards. Fill up your cookie cutter with moss and add the pearls. Once you're happy with your design, take thin wire and wrap it around the cookie cutter like so. And this is also why you need a good shape to work with, so that the wire has enough grip, if that makes sense. When you're done wrapping, secure the wire by twirling both ends around each other and push the ends into the cotton so that you don't poke yourself by accident. Let me show this one more time. For this DIY tutorial, you need a mason jar or similar and some pretty decorations. I will be placing a fawn in front of trees. My trees both have the same size, but I want one to be taller, so I cut a piece of floral foam and hot glue it to one of the trees. Now I cover the bottom of the jar with cotton balls. Yeah, I love crafting with cotton balls, sue me. On second thought, please don't. You can use a cotton ball to cover the floral foam. I add some angel's hair to simulate straw, but in a more festive way, and place my adorable little fawn on it. I also add a couple of mini parcels. Next, I add little stars and a crescent moon to a piece of wire and hot glue it to the jar. If you want to know how to make these, I will link my tutorial on them in the description box below. Last but not least, I add a ribbon and some small festive ornaments to complete the design. If you enjoyed this video, may I ask you to please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very Merry Christmas.